I see every single event in my typical day as part of my adventure. Every day, moving from location to location. I leave the house in the morning, hop into my Jetlander, and begin my drive through the Third Mainland Bridge. That one is a serious adventure on its own. I go to the office, set things up for the week. From the office, I visit one or two sites to ensure things are as they should be. After an adventurous day, I particularly like that evening drive home. I just cruise in my Jetlander and I drive with a sense of fulfillment. It is a good life, a fun one, an adventurous one. My name is Olawale Emiola. I am a geotechnical engineer residing in Lagos, and I love driving my car. Start your own adventure with the Jetlander.